Okay. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our live. Yan, isa na lang basketball game ang ating masasaksihan dito sa Barangay West Crame. And the Friendship Game Basketball League 2026. This is the battle between teams SJ Officials versus Team Parak. Ayan, thank you po sa pag-imbita. Kagawad Bong Imata. And also sa the rest of the team na sumusuporta ng ating liga. Championship game, the most awaited matchup para sa season na to. Team SC Officials versus Team Parak. Sisimula na tayo maya lamang. Tanggal na, pre.
Tatawag na yung Rebel. Yung bote, baba natin. Rebel ka, bote, baba natin.
Good luck from both team. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong season? Alright, let's go. Let the battle begin. First quarter. First ball mula sa mga nakaputi. Jump shot is good for Team Parak. Galabong behind the back. Rato for 3. Oh. bounds. Kagawad Kaprayan for 3, no good. And a rebound for Team Parak. Cross court pass, number 3. No good. Number 17. No good. Pass to number 24 from the corner to number 24 for 3. Bam! Triple for Angkoy. Kagawad Bong for 3. Ano? Chi. Sorry. Angkoy. Bad pass. Steal by Rato. To Kaprayan. Kaprayan diniskate. There's a foul.
Pagkakarto ko, nabitin ako ng gabi. Hingin ang inom yan.
Kalma na tayo, boss. Boss rep, sorry. Kaprayan. Yoresto. Cross court pass, Angkoy. Number 7, nabitawan, steal by Kagawad. Biktang. Number 14, cross court to Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong, spin. Pass to Kagawad. Biktang, no good. Ayun na ang mga naka-white shirt. Pumarete to Angkoy, block by Rato. Number 5. Whoa! Another shot. Knocks it down. It's 7-0. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Team Parak. Oh, bad pass. Bola rito ng Team SG officials. Kagad ng Patricio. Kagad Bong. To Rato at the post. Rato na alusot. And the first basket mula kay Mark Rato for Team Official. 7-2 ang ating talaan. Pomarete. Binigay. Pass number 3. Number 17. Binigay sa elbow 3. In and out. And a rebound. Ayun na sa number 14. Number 14. Pass to Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong drive. Running shot. And gets the foul. Number 24. Siya in the line ng jersey number 6. First shot, no. Oh, basket. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 for Kagawad Bong Imata. 7-4 ang ating talaan. At a corner, short. Bad pass. Number 3. Number 17. Number 5. No good. Block. Gets a foul. Ayun na ang Team SC official. Kagawad Bong Imata and 1 for the team captain. Kagawad Bong Imata. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Basket is good. All 7. Tabla na tayo sa 7. Wide open shot. Yes, sir. 4-3 by Angkoy. Oy, out of bounds. What a nice pass to Kagawad. Bigtan Patricio. 10-9 ang ating talan. Guys, sa corner, number 5. Running shot. Basket. It's good. Ryan 4-3. Out of bounds. Cross-court pass, number 7. Running shot, no good. Here comes Kagawad Imata. Pass number 14. Number 14, and that's a kick ball. Kick ball violation. Rep. Sorry, thank you. Kagawad Bigtan Patricio. Ayan, nakaka 2 points na. 4 points na si Kagawad Bigtan. Or Victor Patricio. 12-11. In favor pa rin. So team para cross-court pass. Romarete to number 17. Sorry, that's Romarete. Uy. Pinigay. One-hand shot. Basket is good. Ay, panaligan. One of the star player of the team Parak. Coming from Panaligan. Kagawad Bong. Fake. 4-3. No. Rebound. And out of bounds. Ball rito ng team Parak. 14-11. Number 3 to number 17. Running shot. No. Panaligan. Kick out. Trapas. Cross-court pass. Number 3. Fake. Turo Marete. Basket. Kita ka ba? Kagawad Bong. Shakes. Cross-court pass, cup right, Dian, 4-3, no good. Another rebound, Rato to Patricio. Kagawad Patricio. Wide open, 4-3, short, rebound by Angkoy. Outlet pass, number 3. Oy, good. Oy, good, oy. And a steal. Kagawad Patricio to number 14. Oy. Substitution. Mas na po ang papasok at lumabas na po ang lalabas. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. As shown the line, and jersey number 14, Leones. First shot, no good. Second shot. No rebound. By Kagawad Noah. Pass number 4, De La Cruz. Kick out to Kagawad Noah. Wide open. No rebound. Makuha this time ng mga naka-white shirt. But there is a foul. 16-11. Number 30, whoa, no good. Number 19, no. Rebound. Manaligan setting on. Paso. Number 17, short. By De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Juliones. Derecho and gets the foul. In the free throw area. Number 14. First shot is good. Second shot, basket, 2 for 2. 13-16. Oopsie, that's a travel. Noah. Number 14, wide open, 3. Habla tayo sa 16. Pass to number 4. It's a corner. Basket is good. 18-16. For 3, no. From the corner, no good. Kagawa Big Tom, no good. Okay, sa corner, wide open, no good. And out of bounds. Wala rito ng Team SJ officials. Out that pass, number 14, reverse layup. Basket is good. Oh, wala 14. 18. Rather. Kikita lang ang ating laban ng ating championship game. 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a buzzer beater. It's accounted. It's good. And that's the end of our first half. Official score is 20-18 in favor of the team Parak. Na ihabol pa ni Romarete ang bola. Get the buzzer beater. Then natin ang replay. Counted? Ano, counted? Hindi. Counted. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Wala naman dito ng Team Red. SJ official basketball. So Noah to De La Cruz. De La Cruz kick out. Caprayan wide open. 3 no good. Rebound ng white shirt. Number 4 di diskarte. Number 4 top of the key for 3 no good. Rebound by Caprayan. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz stop and pop for 3. Walang tawag. Rebound ng Team Parak. To number 3. Number 3, dire-diretso, binigay, drop pass. Oy, binigay kay Angkoy. From the corner, wide open for 3, wala. And offensive rebound, reverse layup. Nakalusot si number 19. 22-18. 4-point lead for Team Parak. De La Cruz. Pass to Kagawad Noah. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. To Rato. Mark. Rato. Sumalaksak. Oh, another rebound for Rato. But there's... It's a step in on the line for Mark Rato. Walang tawag ang ating official doon. 22-18. De La Cruz. Okay, sa corner, jump shot, basket. Ayan na. 24-18, 6-point lead for the Team Parak. De La Cruz, pass to Caprayan. Caprayan, di diskarte. Staring on the screen. Caprayan. Ayan na, crossover. Caprayan, nabitawan, but there is a foul. Caprayan, and that's a trouble violation. Maretes, running shot, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Caprayan. Caprayan, i-discarte. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng mga nakapula. Magawad Noah, kick out. Kick out to Rato. Mark to Caprayan. Caprayan, 4-3. No, it's a block. Rato sa loob. Wala pa rin. Another rebound for Rato. There's a foul. Substitution, number 23 coming in. Rivera. Rato, kick out, De La Cruz, kick out, Sequeira, fake, Sequeira, sidestep, using the glass, no! There's a foul. Number 12. (24-18). Oopsie. Sa corner, 4-3, no good. Rebound, number 4. And a steal. Ay na, out that pass. Kagawad Noah. Kala. Unan. 24-20. Baba sa 4 ang lamang ng Team Parak. Number 4 to number 23. Ayan na, nagagawan. That's a jump ball. Bola rito, mapupunta sa mga nakaputi. Number 4, 4-3. Bam! 3 points for Team Parak. 27-20. De La Cruz. Pasok Caprayan. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, no good. The rebound ng Team Parak. Number 4, di diskarte. Setting on the play. Binigay kay number 3. Number 3, cross court to number 4. Number 4, once again for 3. Wala. Rebound kay Kagawad, but there's a foul by Rivera. 27-20 pa rin. Ayan na, si De La Cruz. De La Cruz, kick out. Cap Ryan. 4-3, short. Ayan na, number 3. Oy. Substitution. Kagawad Bong Imata and Sir Serrano coming in for Kagawad Noah and Sir Bong or Sir Billy. Sorry, that's De La Cruz. On the free throw area, number 2. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Pahinga muna. Second shot is good. 28-20. Nagawad pass to Rato. Mark. Pass to Serrano. Oy, bad pass. Substitution. Out of bounds. Ball rito ng Team Parak.
Tayo.
Ayan na, si number 4, didiskarte. Nigay sa elbow. 4-3, panaligan, miss, rebound by Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong, Imata, paso Caprayan. Caprayan, didiskarte. Pasto Rato, pasto Kagawad Bong, back to Caprayan, wide open shot, bam! 3-point for Caprayan. Sequeira. 28-23. Baba na lamang sa 5 ang lamang. Number 3. What a nice layup for jersey number 3. 30-23. Nagawad Bong. Paso Caprayan. Caprayan. Didiskarte. Hesi drive. And there's the foul. Grabe, si Cap. Ayan na, nag-iinit na. Si Cap Ryan, si Kera. On the free throw area. Cap Ryan. Wait lang po. Thank you. Cap Ryan. In and out. Rebound ng Team Parak. Out that pass. Number 3, drive. Oy, wala. Romarete, wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Lorbes coming in. Bola rito ng SJ San Juan. Official. Time remaining 4 minutes and 19 seconds. 23-30 in favor of Team Parak. Kagawad Bong, pass to Mark. Rato at the post. Kick out, Serrano, jump shot, no. Rebound by Panaligan. Out that pass, number 23, Rivera, miss. Panaligan, man, gets a foul by Lorbes. Bola rito ng mga nakaputi.
Kagawad yung mata.
Nasa loob, nasa loob.
Kagawad, lawas ka muna dyan.
Number 7. Ongoing. Yari tayo dyan, yari. Number 3, wala. Kagawad Bong, kick out. Caprayan, 4-3, wala. And a rebound by Rivera. Time out daw. Ay, sakto, time out.
Kagawad, ito na kagawad. Ha? Ay, kagawad o.
Rebound by Morato. Lorbes. Lorbes sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by Rivera. Behind the back. Basket. Time out. Team SJ official. Ayan.
Galing naman ang committee. Committee, thank you ha.
Time out muna rito ang Team SJ official. 32-23. Okay, back to the ball game. SJ official basketball. Cap Ryan. Ito agawad the goal. And out of bounds. Agawad the goal. Kapong. Agawad Bong. Running shot. No. Rebound. Romarete. Nagpapadali. Crossover. Fake drive. And that's a travel. Last 2 minutes tayo in action for our first half. Lorbes. Pass to Caprayan. Caprayan didiskarte. Caprayan setting on the play. Caprayan Hesi. Pass to Lorbes for 3. Yes, sir. By Lorbes. Out that pass. Panaligan. Binigay. Angkoy. No. Oh, sorry, that's... No. Rebound by Panaligan. Pass to Romarete. Panaligan! Knocks it down. Kagawad Bong na bitawan. Steal. Ay na derecho, but there's a foul. Time out? Time out natin. Time out. Team SJ officials. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Yan natin, nangadal muna ng Team SJ. Back to the ball game. 27, 34. Oops. Wala. Second shot, basket. 1 minute and 11. Out that pass. Cap Ryan for 3. Bang! 3 for Cap Ryan. Sequeira. 35-30. Panaligan. Paso Marete. 4-3. Wala. Out of bounds. Chichi, sus lang. Opo. Puka muna. Pass to Kagawad. Patricio, jump shot is good. For Kagawad, Patricio. Ayan na. Umahabol na ang Team SJ. Babawi sa 3. Wala. And a rebound by Kagawad Bong. Lorbes, pass to Agawad Bong. Agawad Bong, no! And a rebound by Rivera. Pass to Romarete. 3 against 2. Panaligan to Romarete. One-handed shadow. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Caprayan for 3. And that's the end of our first half. Official score at 37-32. Lamang po ang Team Parak. Magbabalik tayo for the second half. World Cup muna tayo. Let's muli.
Shoutout nga pa, taga West Crame, yung mga taga-release ng court.
Ayun, ang shoutout.
Kaya magkatatakbo ng kagawad namin dito.
Iyan ah. Let's go. Shoutout, boss. And Castro. Sa mga masipag natin yan na Barangay Police Tanod. Okay. Third quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong season ng ating Friendship Game Basketball League dito sa Barangay West Crame? Number 4 for 3. No. Oopsie. And out of bounds. Number 4, no good. Running shot, wala. Rebound by Kagawad Bigtang. Pass to Kagawad Noah. Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong. To De La Cruz. Pass to Kagawad Bong. Hesi. Kagawad Bong. Pass to Kagawad Dagul. Kagawad Bigtang. 3. Wide open. Bye. Out. Rebound ng Team Parak. Romarete. Pass to Angkoy. Pass to number 17. To number 3. What a ball movement. Number 4. Out of bounds. Marete for 3. Knocks it down. 3-point for Coach Marete. Trapas. Wala. De La Cruz and 1. Basket count plus a foul for De La Cruz. Nabasa 6. 34-40. De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Marete. Number 3 to number 4. Number 4. Marete. Bad pass. De La Cruz. What an extra pass. What a nice reverse layup for Kagawad Dagul Ortega. 36-40. Number 4 to number 7. Running shot. Oy, wala. And rebound by Kagawad Dagul. Number 4, Hesi. De La Cruz. And 1. Basket count plus a foul for De La Cruz. 38-40. Baba na lamang sa dalawa ang lamang ng Team Parak. De La Cruz missed. And a rebound for the Team Parak. Number 4, Hesi. Oopsie. 7. Cross. Down pa lang. No basket. Wala pa daw po. Wala pa daw po. Foul. Sa baba pa lang. Cross court pass. Number 3. Drive. Kick out. Angkoy to number 3. Basket. 42-38. 4-point lead for Team Parak. Number 11. Oh, block. Ayan na ang Team Parak. Number 17. Drive and gets the foul by number 27. That is Mark Grato. Sub. Time remaining 6 minutes and 21 seconds. On the free throw area, number 17. Coach Remarate. Second shot. No. Ayan na ang red team. Oh, there's a foul.
Ilan na yung condition na ilan to? Wala. Okay.
De La Cruz, nagmamadali. De La Cruz, drive, basket. Grabe naman si De La Cruz. Coast to coast. 40, 43. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng Team Parak. Kaya ang tatanggaling unang kampiyon ngayong season sa ating Friendship Game Basketball League. Running shot, basket. 45. 40, De La Cruz, 4-3, bam! 3-point for De La Cruz. 45, 43, dalawa na lang. For Team Parak. Coach. Pass to number 3. Bang! At may sagot si Maglaoy. Correct me if I'm wrong. 48-43. May sagot agad ang Team Parak. Babawi ulit sa 3. Oh, wala. Rebound, number 7 to number 4. 3 against 2. Maglaoy, pass to Coach Romerete. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Pass to Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong, dire-diretso, binigay. Kagawad na goal, block, and gets a foul. Number 4 running shot, no good. Rebound. Uy. But there's a foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Di pa pala. Ang team Parak pa lang pala. Sorry. First shot is good. 45-48. Ang ating talaan po. Or sa ating official. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 for De La Cruz. 48-46. Down by 2. Drop pass number 4. Basket. Jersey number 4. 50-46. Number 8, Sequeira, spin, drive, no. Rebound by number 7. 17. Lorbes coming in for Kagawad Bong and Kagawad Noah coming in. Okay. On the free throw area, number 17. First shot is good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds on the game clock. Second shot, basket. (52-46). Oy! Munti ka na magawan. Kagawad Noah. At the post, Rato. Sinigay. Kagawad Dagul. Kagawad Dagul. Too strong. Walang tao. Got official. Number 4. Pass to Panaligan. Panaligan drive. Basket. Naupo pa si Panaligan. 46-54. Lumalaki na naman ang kalamangan ng Team Parak. Lorbes. Crossover. Lorbes, Ceci. Pass to Kagawad Noah. Kagawad Noah. Stop and pump. Short. Two minutes and 19 seconds. Go, let's go. Kagawad Bigtang Patricio coming in for Kagawad Dagul. 46-54. Tamang pa rin dito ang Team Parak. Number 4. At the jump shot, Bam! Rivera! Ayan na. 10-point lead para sa Team Parak and a steal by Rivera. Rivera binigay. Number 4. Time out. That is Maglaoy. Time out. Team SJ official. Official score of 58-46 in favor of the Team Parak. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Team SJ official. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 para sa ating third period. And shoutout muna tayo kay Eugene. Yan, Eugene Españo, Tristan Raper Liangco, and kay Jarvis Santos, JR Balyatan Quaresma, and kay Sarge Rubio. Okay, back to the ball game. 46-58 ang ating talaan. Kagawad Bong, Emata 4-3. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Ayan na ang Team Parak. Number 4 to number 17. Bounce pass. Panaligan. Knocks it down. 46 to 60. Lorbes for 3. In and out. Rebound ng Team Parak. Wait lang daw, sabi ng Team Parak. Cross-court pass. Maglaoy, drop pass. What a nice move. What a nice pass. The connection of Team Parak sa loob by Coach Rema Rete to Panaligan. Uy, but this time foul dito sa Panaligan. Time remaining, last 37 seconds. On the free throw area, number 27. That's a Mark Ratto. First shot is good. Masok. 47-62. Second shot. Basket. 48-62. Last 37 seconds. Romarate. Back to Romarate. Tinagay. Panaligan. Miss. Rebound by Maglaoy. To number 4. Number 4 running shot. Basket. Last 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Oy! Wala. 3, 2, 1. Muntika na. And that's the end of our third quarter. We shall score a 48-64 in favor of the team. Parak. Ito. Shoutout kay J-Boy Guanzon. Eh, sabi ni, shoutout din kay Eugene Garan Espanyo. Shoutout mo tayo doon. Hey, shoutout. Archie, the heartthrob of our barangay West Grame. Alright, tayo dadaan na po sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling unang kampiyon for this season ng ating Friendship Game Basketball League 2026 season. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Another basketball championship game na naman ang ating masasaksihan. And maraming pong salamat sa inyong pag-share ng ating live. And please don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook. And sa mga gusto pong manood ng replay, may papalabas po siya sa TikTok and YouTube channel as well. Alright, back to the ball game. Kick out. Uy. There's a foul by De La Cruz. Number 3, number 4. Number 7. Wide open. Bam! 3 by jersey number 4. Na lumalang. Kagawad Bong! Bam! At may sagot si Kagawad Bong Imata. 50-67. 17-point lead for Team Parak. Romarate. Crossover. Diniscarte. Hesi. Pass to Magalaoy. 4-3. No! There's a foul. Bola rito ng Team SD official. Outlet pass. Oy! Lorbes miss. And a rebound for Team Parak. 67-50. Oh, another 3-point shot for jersey number 4. Nagpapaulan. What a back-to-back 3-point coming from him. Ayan na. Oh, ayan na steal. Walang tawag at official. Let's go. Here comes Romarete. Pinagay. 3 against 3. Maglaoy. Another shot for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Norbes nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Uy. There's a foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 4. 3 minutes cool down. And shoutout mo din kay Idol Kenneth Imata is watching. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Idol Kenneth Imata. Norbes for shot. No. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang first free throw. Second shot. Basket. 51-70. 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Bola rito ng Team SJ officials. Pinagay sa corner. Norbes wide open. No rebound ng Team Parak. Romarate. Pass to Maglaoy. Setting on the play. Pinagay sa corner. Back to Maglaoy. Number 7. Panaligan for 3. No. Rebound. What an extra pass. Number 7. Basket is good. 51-72. Kagawad Victang. Esi drop pass. Pasok agad Victang. Basket. For Kagawad Victang. Kagawad Victoria. Patricio. Assist by Lorbes. Romarete. Number 7. No good. Rebound by Mark Curato. To Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong. Didiskarte. Dire-derecho. There's a foul. Sub. Kagawad Ortega coming in. And Cap Ryan. Time out muna rito. Ang TM. Tignan natin ang supply. Natin, time out muna ang Team Parak. Ang Team Parak. 4-3, short. At tapos, Rivera. There's a foul. Rep. On the free throw area, Rivera. First shot, no good.
Nice shot, nice shot, nice shot. Ano po?
Basket, 75-54.
Hot, ito na sa'yo, ha?
Kagawad pong short. Rep, sorry. Rep. Yung space lang. Space lang. Hindi, liwat na. Thank you. De La Cruz, assist. Step back three. No. And a rebound. Panaligan, cross court, 2. Angkol, in and out, Panaligan, with a putback. Grabe naman yun. May Panaligan. Kagawad Bong. Rato for 3, in and out. Rebound ng Team Parak.
Tay, walang pressure. Tay lang.
Panaligan.
Nice spot, ganyan lang. Retro!
Out of bounds. And a timeout for Team SJ official. Oh, di pa tao dito lang. Gitna, hindi ko makita yung gitna. Thank you po. Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. De La Cruz. Out that pass. Uy, too strong. That is a foul, number 17. De La Cruz, pass to Kagawad Noah. Kagawad Noah for 3, bam! 3 point for Kagawad Noah. Baba na lamang sa 20 ang lamang ng Team Parak. Oy, step back 3, bam! At may sagot ang Team Parak. Lorbes, miss. Number 4, bam! Another 3 point for jersey number 4. Babawi sa 3. Ayan na. Grabe naman yan, 3 points. On the free throw area, number 4. That is De La Cruz. First shot is good. Number 2, stop and pump. Wala. Rebound. Oh! Knocks it down. Ayan na, De La Cruz. Pass to Agawad Noah. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Ng Team Parak. 45. Oy. Out of bounds. Ayan na. Number 23. Setting on the play. Kilila 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Oy, what a save. Kilila. Knocks it down. De La Cruz. Babawi. Bam. At may sagutin. Si De La Cruz. 62-88. Pumunta muna. Number 2, kick out. Rivera. Bam! Grabe naman. Nagpapaulan ng 3-point. Ang Team Parak. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Kick out, Serrano. Pasok agad, Noah. Drop pass, Serrano. Bad pass, steal. Alcama. Number 8, drive and gets the foul. Ayan na. De Roca coming in. Ito. Pumasok. Pagmasok po. De La Cruz. Time out.
That's all.
Okay, time out muna rito. Ang Team Parak. Back to the ball game. Ball game na agad. Number 8. Wala. Noah. Really bad pass. Time remaining, last 48 seconds. Wide open, wala, rebound. Isa pa, wala pa rin. Rebound by Kagawad Noah. Stop and pop. Oy, wala. Kagawad Noah. De La Cruz. At dito na po nagtatapos. Last 12 seconds. 8. Ayan, congratulations! Team Parak, our 2026 Friendship Game Basketball League champion. Team Parak. Our final score is 93-66. Ayan, congratulations, Team Parak. What a good game. Alright, dagat tayo sa ating award ceremony. Babalik. Congratulations! And the champion of our 2026 Friendship Game Basketball. Ang team Parak, and nice game pa rin para sa Team SJ officials. Ayan, congrats po. Ayan, let's go! Mythical 5 ah. Agas kagawad. Ayan. And the Mythical 5.
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Our 2026. Oh, sige. Friendship Game Basketball League. The champion team. Parak. Ayan. Congrats po. Team Parak. Our 2026 Friendship Game champion.
Isa pa, paano nyo ba? Oh, finals MVP!
And our finals MVP. Wala lang iba kung sino. Oh, si Robot Panaligan. Ayan, picture.
Tabi.
Ano pa lang ito?
Sunday.
Panaligan.
Oh!
Hey, congrats, Sunday.
Pare! May pinabibigay si Leo. Para may inuman kayo. Bibigay 3,000 na yun.
Oh, congratulations. Ayan. Shoutout muna, shoutout. Ito, MVP tayo. Coach, Sunday Panaligan, congratulations. Sa gitna. Ayan. Sunday, congratulations at ikaw ang tinanghal na MVP. Anong pakiramdam na ikaw ang tinanghal na final MVP?
Masaya. Hindi ko inaasahan na MVP ako. At ginawa yung best sa laro.
Congratulations, kaibigan.
Ayan, anong sekreto mo? Parang, anong sekreto ng yung team ba na kung bakit naging kayo nag-champion?
Uminom ng used oil!
Naglalaro araw-araw para mag-mission.
Ayan. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan or shoutout.
Pero muna yung ano mo.
Sir, mag-shoutout. Sir, ay, shoutout.
Up, we are the champion!
Thank you. Si ba pwede pa? Ayan. Ito. Nakita ko kanina, grabe. Ang ano na ito, pare. Congrats. Nakailang 3 points ka. On the last, ilang minutes yun. Anong masasabi mo sa laban? Anong pakiramdam na kayo nag-champion?
Masaya, siyempre, team effort naman natin eh. Kaya, happy pa din sa team.
Ayan. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan po or shoutout.
Shoutout nga pala sa asawa ko, sa family ko sa bahay. Hindi na kasama yung mga bata. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Congrats, team! Parak! Dito naman tayo. Gogs, thank you. Congrats. And the first runner-up, ang Team SJ official. And photos na tayo. Feel the presence. You know, sobrang saya dito. Lang Team Parak, syempre. Sila ang tinanghal na kampiyon eh.
Lahat yun, may double XL.
Yes, sir! nice game syempre para sa team SJ official. Top, hindi na pasa. Tigan na. Kabray! Syempre, bigyan natin ng single message. Kaya ano masabi sa laban sa Tipara?
Salamat sa
Walang boses.
sponsor natin, kaya Zero ako sa Mora, dito kay Kagawad Bong, kay Kagawad Dino, sa champion team, sa Team Barak, syempre sa team ko sa SK Officials, thank you. Sa nagpapalakan ng Liga, thank you. Syempre, kay Pau,
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you,
Sa
see
mga
you.
teammates ko, thank you.
See you, congrats. Thank you, sa akin, kilapos lang.
Boses,
Sa kondisyon. Thank you. Alala.
sa mga kairamdam ko sa
Okay lang.
konti lang.
Oo, sa akin eh. Parang Serrano, go, small message lang, tara. Small message.
Kulang-kulang kami.
Ay, ito, sa Kagawad. Vic, masabi sa laban.
Maraming salamat, Rocco. Special Assistant of the Mayor. Mabuhay tayo na.
Thank you.
Mayor Francis Zamora.
Thank you po. Ayan, pare. Okay ba? May sabi ka ba? Thank you. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Hanggang sa muli. Ay, ito, sir. 7-9. Baka may gusto ko message. Hey, champion! We are the champ! Message. Baka may gusto kang sabihin.
We are the champion lang.
We are the
We are the champion.
Thank you. Okay na po. Thank you. Sino pa yung dadat? Clean. Grabe. Nakailan 3 points ka kanina. Nakailan 3 points ka kanina, pare. Message lang. Baka may gusto message lang or shoutout na rin.
Tawag dito. Shoutout sa Nagpaliga. Okay, sana masundan pa ulit. Naka-isang 3 points lang, okay na yun. Champion naman kami.
Champion yun. Anong pakiramdam?
Okay, masaya.
Champion.
Oo, inuman na to.
Thank you. Okay. Hanggang sa muli. Good night, everyone. Kita po tayo for the next live.